Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn and welcome to my garden. I'm going to show you the pinch technique. Hope you enjoy. I got my little polka dot plants here, and you just take them down to where you want them to bush out and pinch off like that. With your nails, you don't even have to use a tool or anything. And I got the white, pink, and red polka dot plants here. So I'm just pinch techniquing or pruning, them so they'll bush out. And they're coming out pretty good, I think. Yeah. And then I got my coleus back here, and they'll bloom a little bit sometimes, but it might be too much shade for them to bloom, but they just get a white bloom on them that looks real pretty. So they look really nice today, the coleus and the polka dots. And my coleus over here are doing really good. I like how they came out with the green and the red and the purple xenu, I think these are called. And this is a yellow sedum here in the pot, but it bloomed earlier in my videos if you want to check them out. And our beautiful butterfly bushes are still blooming. And if you love butterflies, they're really good to have in your yard. We got a pink and a purple one. And there's a beautiful painted lady suckling on it this morning. I hope you enjoy my garden. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.